First of all, a very happy Earth Day to all of you. Today is Earth Day that is being celebrated throughout the world. And what is the need to celebrate the Earth Day? It's the only planet where life is possible. And being a living organism, it's our primemost duty that we should do such activities that are helpful to this planet, not destroying this planet. That's why this day is celebrated.
To protect and preserve our earth. I will use natural resources wisely and avoid wasting water, electricity and paper. I will plant to protect and preserve our earth. I will use natural resources wisely and avoid wasting water, electricity and paper.
Nature for granted. The fresh air we breathe, water we drink, and greenery surrounds us. But today, on the occasion of Earth Day, it is important for us to reflect and pause. Are we giving back even a fraction of what Earth provides us every day? So today, let us not just appreciate the beauty of Earth, but also take a small yet meaningful step towards protecting and preserving it for generations to come. To begin this recording,
I stand before to speak about a very important day which we celebrated on 22nd April. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Earth Day, especially dedicated to our beautiful planet. Earth is our home and it gives everything. Air to breathe, water to drink and food to eat and beautiful environment to live in. As a member of Nine Eco Club, it is our duty to protect and preserve nature. A small step like
22nd April, it began in 1970 in the US, when Senator K. Lord Nelson was deeply troubled by a massive oil spill in California. He called upon them to stand up for the environment and nearly 20 million Americans responded. The movement was so powerful that it led to the creation of the US Environmental Protection Agency and major environmental laws. Within just a few years, by 19...
so lovely and fair. Give us sunlight, water and air. Green tree dancing in the breeze. Birds singing song among the trees. Rivers flow and ocean shine. Nature beauty is divine. Let's keep it safe. Let's keep it clean. Make our planet fresh and clean.
Because it reminds us to take care of our environment. Without the healthy earth, we cannot survive. We must reduce pollution, conserve resources, and protect wildlife. Every small effort counts. It reminds us that the earth is our home and we must take care of it. It teaches us the values of trees, clean air, pure water, and a healthy environment.
की पुकार, धरती माँ पुकार रही, सुनो उसकी पुकार। पेड़ लगाओ, जल बचाओ, यही है जीवन का सार। पेड़ लगाओ, जल बचाओ, यही है जीवन का सार। नदियों को साफ रखो, हवा को भी शुद्ध बनाओ। नदियों को साफ रखो, हवा को भी शुद्ध बनाओ। आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए एक सुंदर संसार सजाओ। आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए एक सुंदर Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd April. 22nd April is not just a day, it is a reminder which reminds us that Earth is not our ancestral property, but we borrow it from our children, and we have to return that to our upcoming generations also. Dear students, let me quick. कौन बचाएगा धरती माँ को? कौन बचाएगा धरती माँ को?
बचाओ धरती बचाओ धरती बचाओ धरती बचाओ धरती बचाओ धरती बचाओ
The future of our planet lies in the choices we make today. On the occasion of Earth Day, I, Sumrita Thakur, a class 12th medical student, feel proud to highlight that my proud school, BL Center Public Senior Secondary School, Kunihar, organized a truly meaningful and inspiring celebration reflecting strong commitment towards environmental awareness and responsibility. The program included the speeches by different groups highlighting the importance of saving our planet and adopting eco-friendly practices. A thought-provoking skit was presented and the guidance provided by my respected teachers added great value to encourage us to follow eco-friendly habits. And my Eco Club in charge, Mrs. Dinakshi Thakur ma'am and Headmistress ma'am, who inspired all the students to take responsible steps towards protecting the environment. Our school deserves appreciation for organizing such an impactful and well-coordinated event. Thank you very much.
धरती माँ, मैंने तुम्हें जीवन दिया, हरियाली दी, मीठा पानी दिया, लेकिन आज मेरा आंचल कचरे के ढेर में पड़ा हुआ है। प्रदूषण के कारण मेरी सांसें घुटती जा रही है। क्या यही तुम्हारा प्यार है?